Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Opensea app using your Android. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log into Opensea tab, open your Opensea application from the app drawer. You'll be able to find yourself into the home page of Opensea soon after you open it. Up top on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen, and you should be able to see this kind of an interface. You will be prompted to connect to your wallet. Simply go ahead and select one of the options displayed. You can log into Opensea with MetaMask Trust Wallet or by entering Ethereum address. Select any one choices and follow the on-screen prompts. Confirm in order to connect to Ethereum with a particular wallet by tapping on Connect, and then you have logged into Opensea. Now you can go back to the Opensea application. That is how you can easily log into Opensea on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.